Good day.
What do you need?
Show me your ware. I'd like to just...
Glad you found what you were looking for, sir.
All right, I'm ready.
Tough Spaniale. But you have to put down the coin up front.
Here you go. Down to the last gross.
Just how I like it. How should the herald introduce you?
I want it to be known that Henry of Skalitz defeated you. And that he did it for all the common folk who had their roofs burned over their heads because of the likes of you.
Very nice speech. But let us see how you talk when I... Come on. I cannot wait.
Today, we will witness a duel between Sir Zavish of Garbow, called the Black, and Henry of Skalitz. Henry, a arms. Let the clash of polearms begin!
I yield. Mercy.
Come to an end, and the winner is Henry of Skalitz. I can't believe it. The noblest fight begins. The longsword duel.
What's wrong? Don't blush red. Too slow.
Longsword duel is at its end, and the undisputed winner is Henry of Skalitz.
Hey, sir.
He's defeated his rival with an incredible performance.
Treat you.
All three duels were well fought and...
Damn, that hurts. Can you do something about it?
It's nothing, you baby. It'll heal before your wedding.
He's cleared the name of Lord Yezhek of Holoblavi from disgrace, while he put the Lord of Garbow to shame with his performance. The dispute between these two gentlemen is now at an end. Glory to the victor, honor to the vanquished.
Well, is that everything?
Is it not enough for you? I cannot believe it! I, the champion of tournaments all the way from Brittany to Venice, and I end up beaten by a yokel like you, with his finger up his nose.
I thought losing would make you angrier.
I would like to kill you like a dog, but you won fair and square. I must give you that. You will find the horse stabled up by the gate, and you can take the armor from my chest.
Haven't you forgotten something?
The groschen are in the chest, too.
All those poor people whose village you torched finally got justice.
I'm sure it'll warm their little hearts when they're digging through the ashes for a bit of flour they didn't want to give us.